In this video, I'll cover a single compositional element, the rule of the eye. Following it will help you with all sorts of images. My name is Anthony Lorenc, and I've been a photographer for over 30 years. For a number of years, I was a certified professional photographer. I taught photography at a local college, and in 2010, I wrote a book on photography. And although technology has progressed, the basics are still the same. With all this experience, I am confident that even seasoned photographers will pick up a few pointers in each session. Now, let's get started. Now, the rule of the thirds is easy to follow when you have subject with characteristics that allows for such division. Suppose you have subject that you want to use bold composition, but there are no clear lines of delineation for the rule of the thirds. Then the rule you want to use is what I consider the rule of the eyes. This means that you bring the camera lens to the same horizontal level as the eye of the subject. This is an easy rule to follow because anything or anyone with eyes, you compose them in a way so the eyes are off the center and occupied a third, as in a picture of this child. Note the position of an arm forming a triangle leading to the toddler's face. Again, that is the most important attribute of the rule of the eyes, which is placing the lens of the camera to the same level as the eyes. That means if you have to lay flat on your stomach to take the picture, then you do so. And what about the inanimate subjects that don't have eyes? Simple. Look at the subject and imagine where the eyes should be. Then lower the camera to that level and take the picture. Note how in this scene we have a rock formation and a piece of it catches your attention. Wow, it looks like an animal drinking. So you take a picture, imagining where the eyes might be. I imagined it here. Where would you have put it? Now you can start your creative processes in a digital darkroom. Make it more obvious or less, even more abstract. Allow the viewer to draw their own conclusions. No one seems to be talking about this rule, but it is very important. Next time you're in a bookstore, take a look at the calendars that feature animals. You'll be hard pressed to find one picture where the camera is not at the eye level of the subject. It doesn't matter if it's an mammal, fish, snake, or a bird. Try this approach and notice how pleased you'll be with the results. The picture of the little girl's expression here is worth sacrificing some of the rules. Although, even here we have the eyes in the lower third and strong leading lines. The one rule that is not followed is the rule of the eyes. Note the camera level is at the elbows. Had it been at the eye level, this picture would have made the expression even more joyous and stronger. However, knowing the compositional rules does not mean you should be a slave to them. They should help you break them because you know why you are breaking them. Always ask yourself a question: why you are taking this specific action and how it enhances the image. The rule of the eyes is just one compositional element. I'll have a video on composition in general sometime in the future, but I feel so strong about the rule of the eyes that I want you to do an assignment. Take a series of 5 pictures using the rule of the eyes. Make sure The eyes are positioned using rules of the thirds. If you pick an animate object without eyes, imagine where the eyes would be and then make your compositional choice. Pick an interesting subject that has a great visual impact and place it in the center of the photograph. Try placing most important attribute of the picture, which is the eyes, in various places on a photograph and see which one you like best and why. In the next video, we'll tackle the joy of baby and kids in general. Pictures that should make you have fun. Check it out.